Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be exploring an exciting iPod app called Gemini. Whether you're looking for advanced tools to boost your productivity, automate tasks, or even get smarter recommendations, Gemini AI is here to make things easier. Gemini AI is designed to harness the power of artificial intelligence to assist users in various aspects of their day-to-day lives, from helping with organization and task management to providing insights and recommendations. The app aims to be your personal assistant available at any time. It is accessible on both iOS and Android, making it accessible no matter what device you're using. This is one of the core features of Gemini AI. It uses AI to help you create, prioritize, and organize your to-do list. The app can suggest tasks based on your habits, deadlines, and even help you break down big projects into manageable steps. It's like having a personal assistant guiding your productivity. Gemini AI doesn't just help you manage tasks, it learns from your patterns and provides personalized recommendations, whether it's suggesting the best time for the meetings, highlighting important tasks, or reminding you of deadlines. The AI becomes smarter the more you use it, adapting your workflow. Do you need to add something to your task list or schedule a meeting on the go? Well, Gemini has voice command integration, allowing you to give its instructions without even touching your phone. You can create reminders, update lists, or even ask for recommendations, all with a simple voice command.
Schedule a meeting tomorrow.
What do you want to call this event?
Okay, meeting up with a friend.
What time?
At around 2 p.m.
Got it. I'm adding this to your calendar.
I want to set a reminder tomorrow.
Sure, I'll remind you at 2 p.m. tomorrow to meet up with a friend.
No, I mean another reminder.
Sure, what's the reminder?
Uh, Traveling to a place.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 2 p.m. to travel to a place.
But I didn't give you the time. I just told you that you remind me. That means you only take one task over. You can take multiple.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 2 p.m. to travel to a place.
Guess you've seen, this is a weakness of Gemini. It can take more than one prompt. And let me try to close and open again. Set a reminder tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Okay, what's the reminder?
The reminder is to travel somewhere.
Okay, I'll remind you at 5 p.m. tomorrow to travel.
The reason why it couldn't respond previously, it was because of maybe it needed to first close it and reopen it again. So, which makes sense.
With Gemini, you can get contextual reminders that go beyond simple calendar notifications. The app can remind you to finish a task when it senses you're near a relevant location or provide suggestions based on the time of the day, like reminding you to prepare for an upcoming meeting in the morning. Remind me to prepare for the upcoming meeting tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'll remind you at 10 a.m. tomorrow to prepare for the upcoming meeting.
If you're someone who thrives on data, you'll love this feature. Gemini AI provides data-driven insights on your productivity, tracking your performance and habits over time. This can help you spot inefficiencies in your work routine and make adjustments more productive. This feature allows you to interact with AI in real time for live support, whether you need help with creating to-do lists, managing tasks, or even getting instant reminders. Gemini AI Live is there to respond instantly to your needs. If you want to use the Gemini Live, you come to this button on your right, you tap it, and yeah, Gemini Live is active now.
Okay, Gemini Live is active. What can I do for you?
I just wanted you to schedule for me a meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m.
So I can't create calendar events yet when we are live. For now, going live is great for things like chatting, finding answers, or brainstorming new ideas.
So that means that this feature is just for brainstorming ideas. I can't schedule anything.
That's right. Gemini Live is designed for things like chatting, getting information, or bouncing ideas around. It's really helpful for those kinds of tasks, but scheduling isn't one of them. Yet.
Okay, tell me about the features that you have currently.
Okay, for now, Gemini Live is great for things like chatting, finding answers, or brainstorming new ideas. You could try asking me something like, what are some fun things to do in the city this weekend? Or help me write a poem about my dog.
Okay. So can I also ask you to change your voice? I just wanted you to change voice.
Not yet, but that's a really cool idea. We're always working on new features to make Gemini Live better, and that sounds like something a lot of people might enjoy.
So if I want to change the voice, should I just go to the settings as usual?
Yes. To change your voice settings, you'll need to go to the main Gemini app and head to the settings page. There's a section there where you can adjust the voice to your liking.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Alright, let's do it manually since Gemini, we weren't able to do it live. We'll go to the profile icon and now we'll head over to the settings. Then we'll go to the Gemini's voice.
I'm ready to be your voice.
So,
if you like what you hear, choose me to start talking.
So that's voice number 1, number 2,
Feel free to keep exploring.
number
You
3.
can always check if you're curious. It's good to meet you.
Maybe I'm your. I'd be honored.
Choosing a voice is.
Maybe I'm the voice that's right.
I'm another voice in the mix.
Me?
Choosing a voice is tricky, but hopefully it's also fun. Here's hoping I'm your voice of choice.
Okay, I've chosen that. Let's go back to live. I've changed the voice. Let me confirm.
So I can't control settings like your device's volume or the voices yet when we are live. For now, going live is great for things like chatting, finding answers, or brainstorming new ideas.
It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Every person works differently, and Gemini acknowledges that with customizable workflows. You can set your own priorities, create custom task categories, and adjust how AI interacts with you based on your specific needs. It's an AI app that evolves with your style of working. Gemini AI connects with other apps that you already use, like Google Calendar, email, cloud storage services. This ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted as Gemini AI synchronizes tasks and reminders across your favorite productivity platforms. Schedule a meeting tomorrow at 7 a.m.
What do you want to call this meeting?
Executive meeting. Guess you
Got it.
see
Adding to your calendar.
it integrates with Google Calendar. So it has scheduled on my calendar. So I'll have to check. And I don't have to go to the Google Calendar, but I can do everything right here. I want you to keep this note in Google Keep.
Sure. Added a note to keep.
Guess you see now, I've added a note to keep. I've not even gone to keep. It is integrating seamlessly with other Google services. When it comes to AI, privacy is always a concern, and Gemini AI has strong measures in place to protect your data. The app uses end-to-end encryption that allows you to control what information it accesses, ensuring that your data stays private and secure. Basically, let's go to our left hand corner. These are the history charts. If you want to continue with a different chart, you will. If you want to correct something or you want to get some info from a particular chart, you just go to the history and get what you want using the photo feature. Let me try to take a pic. Then I attach. I'll ask Gemini, what is that? As simple as that. Yeah, a MacBook Pro keyboard. Yeah, it's right. You want to speak manually, you just tap the mic icon and now you talk. So this was the live, you remember. And now let's go to the profile icon. And if you want to advance to Gemini Advanced, you'll tap right there. All the payments and the packages and everything. I'm using the free version, by the way. The extensions, we can add extensions. For instance, we have the Google Flights, we have the Google Hotels, we have the Google Maps, we have all these are extensions. Go back to a profile icon. Now we go to Gem Manager. Then we have the Brainstormer, the Career Guide, the Coding Partner, the Learning Coach, the Writing Editor, my gems. I don't actually have my, but I can try and create the advanced model. So this will call for subscription. It's not free. And one tricky point here is you can switch back to Google Assistant and leave Gemini. Uh, if you want me to do a separate video about switching between Google Assistant to Gemini, let me know in the comment section. I'll do a video about that because it's something that needs a separate video. Then let's go to the settings. You can always have control. As you've seen, you can always have control to share chats and responses, calling for links. And the Gemini voice, we have already changed the voice you've seen previously. And now live, we can either disable live or we can enable it. We also have the languages, the different languages, any language that you want, you can select. And now here is the privacy. So do you want Gemini to capture your screen? It is allowed. The settings of the lock screen are right here. Let's tap. You can either disable Gemini during lock screen. So if you want to see the features of Google Assistant in Gemini, tap right here. Now you say, hey Google, voice match. You can, the features that were previously with Google Assistant now in Gemini. Digital assistants. So here is where you can choose either Gemini or Google Assistant. Intuitive AI powered task management and recommendations. Contextual reminders make staying on track easy. Voice commands offer hands-free convenience. Integration with other productivity apps for a seamless workflow. Customizable to fit your personal style of working. With Gemini Live, I face the challenge when I'm in a noisy place. It will make it hard for Gemini to be perfect in the response or even not respond. Some advanced features may have a learning curve. You may require in-app purchases or subscriptions for premium features. Depending on AI cloud can lead to occasional inaccuracies in our predictions. So there you have it, the Gemini AI app, your personal productivity assistant in the palm of your hand with AI recommendations, smart task management, and powerful integrations. This app is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their daily life and stay on the top of their tasks. Let me know in the comment sections if you've used Gemini AI and how it has helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications of the videos I'll be uploading about tech tutorials and app reviews. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.